Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings, also known as Feelings Can't Wait. Chapter 104. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Ji Yan. Right now, after calming Akshu, she was thinking, in order to become famous, well, back then, she was still starlet, and from time to time, she continued to shine. But also, that time, when she got the spotlight, some of it, she was losing herself also, because she continued to pursue going on and on. Also, since she wanted to fulfill her dreams, also, she lost her love. But it was not like that. Akshu always pursue her and follow hers, even when she was still promising actress before. But for Ji Yuan, there's only one wrong move. Every step is wrong. Well, she was right. She was surrounded by everyone because she was still on spotlight. But also, that time, she really lost her heart. It's like she wanted to pursue her dream. Also, she became heartless because she has a dream, want to pursue, want to rush through. The fame and wealth gained by being stained with mud. Is it really the success he originally wanted? Well, right now, she was questioning herself. Right now, she got interrupted. Someone was screaming, and now she came back to herself. She noticed that someone is screaming. Well, she need to find it out. Who is the one who's screaming right now? Ian, she was rushing through. Turns out, it was hers. Few minutes ago, she already see she was with the director. Right now, she was screaming. I regret, Director Shao. Seems that the little girl was really terrified. Director Shao continued to get her inside the room. I don't want any more. Girl said, don't want it. It seems that director, he became pushy. Right now, she don't want to leave this girl. This girl seems to be exhausted. Right now, she was screaming. There's no one helping her, except for Ji Yan. She came by when she heard the girl screaming. Now, she grabbed her hands and said, Shao, well, this poor girl, she really needs help. Dr. Shao, she might be really harm her. But, for now, Ji Yan said, Dr. Shao, what are you doing? Ji Yan still holding the girl's hand. Also, on the other side, Director Shao is holding girl's another hand. Well, it's like a tug. But right now, the strongest will get the girl. The girl said, Teacher Ji, save me. Help me right now. She became teary. Right now, a possibility of being saved is really too high. But, Director Shao, she was really strong. She forced to grab a girl again. Now, it seems that she looks really in pain. A forced grab, it must really hurtful. Right now, Director Shao put the girl's hand upward. What can be done? As you can see, just love between me and woman. Right now, the girl said no. I don't want it. Well, this girl, she looks really terrified. Also, right now, Ian won't leave the girl's hand. Only when you love and you love each other, it be considered love between a man and woman. Director Shao, Sin and now, say they don't want to do it. But right now, Director Shao was still pushy. He was still holding the girl's hand tightly. Please, let me take her away, Yu Yan said to the Director Shao. Right now, the director is not bulging. In a single moment, she grabbed the girls. She shook her away inside the room. Well, it was really painful. Director Shao said, "Who do you think you are? Have you ever tried a man? What does it mean? This Jingshu pretend to be a phoenix." Well, Director Shao, he is being rude. Don't respect Ji Yuyan right now. Director Shao said, "Why not follow me? Let me teach you how to be a real woman." Oh, this was really disgusting. Right now, Ji Yuyan, looking at him, was really cruel. Ji Yuyan said, "Director Shao, respect yourself." Well, she was right. This director, she don't have any remorse. Also, shameless. Oh, you were a woman and came to man's house in the middle of the night. Do you respect yourself? Since you refuses to leave, then come in and let's pay together. Oh, this is not good. Director Shao is pulling Ji Yuan's hand. Well, it's really getting crazy. Teacher Ji, leave me alone and go leave now, the little girl said. Ji Yuan, she was still motivated to help her out. Right now, she don't want to leave her. Let me see which you can make it. You can shout if you can, but it's useless. Even if you shout. Look, who of them dares to come out? Well, this is really frustrating. Julian, somebody might save her. Right now, it's really getting crazy. The louder you shout, it will only let more people know. Dr. Shao, he's been a tricky person, also shameless. Right now, she wants to provoke Ji Yuan to be with her. Right now, said to her, Ji Yuan, you are mine tonight. Well, this is really shaky. Director Shao, she continued to press Ji Yuan. Ji Yuan. Director Shao is strong. She already pinned down on the wall. Well, I will sleep with you. Now, Director Shao said to her. Well, this is not good. Someone must save Ji Yuan. It's really getting crazy. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments. And turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!